It's Iggy X. They got one more problem with you, girl. Hey. Hey, baby, even though I hate you, I wanna love you, I want you. And even though I can't forget you, I really want to, I want you. Tell me, baby, why can't you leave me? 'Cause even though I said I want it, I gotta have it, I want you.
Welcome back to my channel. You have to excuse my voice. I'm sick, so I'm a little raspy and a little clogged. But I wanted to do this Amazon unboxing for you guys to show you a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that we did get. First and foremost, we have these lovely air things my kids love to do. They love to pop them and scare the heck out of my cats. So here's those. First thing in the bag is my daughter loves these things called squishies. So she got a pack of, I think it's 10 little squishies. Cute. So I'm going to hand this to her. The next thing that you actually put on your nails, it comes with a whole bunch of the white pads that you actually dip in acetone and then put the clips on your fingers to remove the polish. So yeah. Let me show you this because I have my son sitting here waiting on his. He has an iPad Pro and he wanted a new case. So this is his case. A U-Beauty. I said that so wrong. It's a blackhead remover pimple extractor kit. I like to keep my face clear from any oil and blackheads. So I ordered this kit. Ooh, it got a little dented, but it's okay. Excuse the noise because my kids are opening their stuff, so it sounds like a bunch of packaging and Christmas and stuff. So here it is here. It's all of the little professional things that you need to extract anything. So we like to keep our pores clean up in here. And then I finally did get a replacement of for my phone or my vlogging camera to put on my windshield. So the other one broke because the heat like killed it. So I got another one, a mount. So now I don't have to drive, hold my phone. And then I just got some silver polishing cloths. So yep, that is it for our small Amazon unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget there's a giveaway. It's in the description box down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And as always, stay blessed, stay cool or warm, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.